another day here in Bali, and today guys we're doing the
Ubud tour po.
Ubud tour. Hi Kuya Surya, good morning.
Good morning po. Basta
So
po tayo.
yes guys, so pupuntahan namin sila Kim. We will fetch them guys kasi inuna ni Kuya yung pag-fetch namin dun sa Fave Hotel. Magkaiba kasi kami ng hotel nila Kimi. It's currently 7 a.m. na Kuya, no?
Opo.
So we were supposed to depart at 6:30 but we're late. We woke up late. So yan guys, yung food namin, yung breakfast namin, because meron kaming included na breakfast sa hotel na pinag-check-in na namin. So pinabalot na lang namin, pinabox namin, and then dito na lang namin sa sasakyan kakainin. So yeah, follow us in this adventure and let's go! So this is my outfit for today guys. Ayan, I'm wearing red. Ayan, nandyan na sila. Oy, naka-red!
Red kami ngayon.
Ako din! Si Jude lang hindi!
Ni Ate Daisy.
Morning.
Good morning
Hindi pa
guys!
na-upload yung vlog ko. Ayun, sakto. Nag-upload ko.
Sana all may upload na. So, nandito na sila Kimi!
Hello!
So, yes kuya, ilang hours tayo papunta doon kuya?
1.5 hour to our first destination, which is Kretya Ubud po.
Ano yung makikita natin sa Kretya? Did you understand that?
You will swim.
Guys, marunong talaga Tagalog si kuya guys. Tapos kuya, ano pa kuya?
After that, we will visit Bali Swing po. You can do
Yes.
swing and also coffee plantation. They also
Yeah.
have there, so you can taste all
The
kind of
civet
especially the
Sino
civet
ang civet?
coffee.
Yeah. We're excited. Ano yung laman babe?
Butter and strawberry jam.
Then,
Meron din siyang saging, merong itlog, croissant na bread.
ikaw kuya, nag-breakfast ka na kuya?
Opo, tapos na po ako.
Ano ang breakfast mo kuya?
Coffee and cigarette lang.
Ha?
Coffee and cigarette lang.
Hala! Ayay! We booked our tour pala guys. 5 days tour for 14,000 guys. Pesos na yun guys. And then yung inclusions guys, meron siya yung 5 days na tour. So yung lahat ng tour namin guys, included na yun. And then, ano pa kuya? Private car. Yeah, this
All
one.
entrance fee.
Comfortable. All entrance fees sa mga pupuntahan naming mga destination or tourist spots here in Bali.
Hindi naman nag-trend.
Until the end,
Oh,
always. Always, palagi.
romantic song.
Yeah. You should sing that to your
Your wife.
wife.
My God.
Yeah.
And si Just and si Just direction. Because she don't understand.
She cannot understand it.
Hindi po. Even that English po.
Oh, really?
Oh, she cannot understand.
Ah.
She cannot speak in English.
So you translate it to
Sana all. Oh. Ang dalawang sana all.
Palaging nagbubusit.
Kain muna ako guys ng breakfast. Have bread. And then tingnan nyo yung saging nila guys. Yung barbecue. Masaging and then egg. Hard-boiled egg. And we have juice. And also bread with strawberry jam and butter. So, kain.
Parang naman ng favorite.
Kain tayo kuya.
Okay po. Enjoy your breakfast.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're here.
Alright guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Ubud.
So, hinap muna namin yung food namin guys. Kasi bawal siya sa loob. So, go na kuya. You are going to wait here? Or you will go?
Kandyan lang.
Alright. Sige.
Ayaw pala. Nakalimutan ko.
Connect that for the swimming pool and the restaurant. There's more downstairs for the rice mill and the swing on the left. Yeah?
Thank you.
So ayun guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Kretya Ubud. And ayan, dito yung pinaka first na destination natin for today's vlog or travel vlog here in Bali. And ito guys, yung kanilang reception here.
At this guys, ang ganda nito guys pag nag-drone. Wow. So mamaya guys, magbibihis muna ako ng upper and then pupunta ako doon. Gusto kong maligo and mag-photo of course. So mag-change muna ako guys ng swimmings kasi maliligo ako, mag-picture ako doon sa pool. So see you later.
I'm sorry that I've put you on the back burner. Other matters have occupied my brain. I know.
Saan may order babe?
Coffee.
Magkano yung mga food nila?
Mura rin din. Affordable lang, no? Itig 75.
60. Meron na siyang 60 dito. 60 na smoothie.
Tapos ganito na yung view, no? Grabe. Hey guys, order na si Madam. Okay.
Ito babe.
Ah. No allergy.
May allergy with prawn. But pwede dito order 494.
So when you order food here, guys, they're gonna ask for your bracelet number. So this is our bracelet number here.
How much is the walk-in here? Walk-in, like entrance.
Entrance, 50,000.
50,000.
That's already includes the swimming pool. But for
To the rice field.
but for the towel, you need to rent 50,000.
Okay.
And there's some seats that are only for the
Spend.
yeah. The minimum spend how much?
Start from 1,500,000
1,500,000.
until 2,500,000.
I think we're already 10 million. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So ayan guys, sila ano din, RJ and Kimi. Mag-order din sila. Card lang yung gamit namin. Hmm. Sa inyo sisit, magkano yung nagastos niya ngayon? 400k lang? Go?
Yung kanina 250.
600 na. 600k na.
Magkano yun sa Philippines?
Grabe, 500,000 na kayo. Ang bilis. Right. Here's our pizza. Thank you. So guys, ito na yung in-order naming pizza. And magkano to, babe? 115,000 rupiah.
Saan nonchalant? Benta na pagkain. Tapos sa mga content creator.
Wala talaga siya relasyon. Lagi na siya
Sabi ni RJ, tagal naman ito mga to. Gutom na ako.
Good na bro.
Kita mo yung konti mo sabi, hindi ka mag-my day.
Picture muna.
Hindi, nakatagilid. Ganyan.
Go.
Tingin na tayo.
Ganyan. Yung tawa.
Ito na sobrang
Totohanan naman yung sa'yo, sis. Dito kami ngayon sa coffee plantation, guys. Ayan. Siya. Ayan. Ito siya nung una. Ito yung parang ano pa lang, no? Tapos ito na yung malinis. Okay. Ayan siya, malinis.
Tapos guys, coffee dito guys is parang pinapakain siya ng sugar. And then, digest pa niya. Then, parang ano pa, parang may...
Ah, poop niya yun.
Oo, poop niya yun.
Yun yung dumi ng civet.
Oo.
Pucha.
Yeah. Tapos yun, medyo...
Bakit kailangan ipakain sa kanya?
Yeah, we'll ask the staff. Excuse me, miss.
So this is the traditional way of, you know, crushing the coffee beans, guys.
So we're now here guys sa Bali Swing. We're going to try the Bali Swing. So yung kinuha namin na ticket guys is couple swing. So that cost 325 IDR. So here, you can... So this is for how many minutes?
For one people is around 2-3 minutes because they're only 15 pieces.
Okay.
Yeah. Where is from?
Philippines.
Manila.
Yeah, Manila.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Talaga makasi.
Good luck, sis. Ayan na, sis! Tabi-tabi ka dyan. Bibi, samahan mo ng picture ah, sa camera.
So ayun guys, tapos na kami sa swing and dito na kami ngayon sa parang paggawaan ng coffee nila or I'm not sure. Basta try namin yung iba't ibang klase ng kape nila dito or yung mga coffee beans nila. Thank you.
So ito yung mga coffee and tea na combination here guys. So marami siyang flavors starting with mangosteen, rosella tea, ginseng, cinnamon, and then yung mga
Basta
coffee
yung
din
nandito
dito.
lahat.
So, yan.
Ayan siya. So, this is only, magkano to babe? 100,000?
100, yeah.
But, puro hot siya guys. Puro hot coffee siya or hot tea.
So ano yung first na ito-try mo, babe?
Think na try ko
I love 10. I think 10 is, yan.
Tea pala
Vanilla
yun.
coffee. 10. Vanilla
Ginseng
coffee.
ko. Ginger.
Cheers.
Ginger. Manghang.
Yummy.
Manghang. Vanilla to. Sarap yung vanilla.
Simi. Mm.
Pero yung iba, medyo ano na. Medyo
Weird.
na yung lasa. Itong 13 is
13.
pandan tea.
Pandan. Yeah, pandanus tea. Sarap.
Para siyang pandan.
Pandan nga.
Pandanus. Kaya pala pandanus. Okay siya, no?
Mm.
Okay lang.
Kung gusto niyo magkape or mag-tea guys, for 100 plus. So, masarap.
Perfect sana to guys kung maulan.
Masarap.
Try mo yung ginseng.
Okay.
Yan nga eh.
Ginseng ba? Di ko sa ginseng. Basing ko.
Ginseng yun ah. Yun yung ginseng,
Tama
diba?
ka vanilla man eh.
Ah, okay. So, ito yung ginseng. Ayoko nang ng ginseng coffee. Lemon tea ng nabo.
Inubos ko na yung ano, vanilla.
Coconut coffee. Masarap din.
Sarap.
Para din siyang yung vanilla. Try mo. Diba? Sarap din.
Masarap pa yung mga kape, no?
Yung mga coffee
Yung mga
masarap.
tea, try
Pero yung
natin.
tea, mangosteen. Try
Hindi
mo.
mo nga na-try pa. Yung mangosteen, syempre. Ano siya guys?
Parang
Sumi. No?
masarap. Para siyang grapes. Na ano, no? Sarap yung mangosteen. Yung rosal.
Tapos natin dito, mag-ita-ita.
Tatain na tayo.
Para tayo mga sibet. Parang pinainom nila.
Rosella. Try natin.
Rosella? Rosella. Rose naman to.
Okay lang. Pero medyo matapang na konti, no? Medyo matapang na konti yung lasa. Ay, ito. Para siya, turmeric.
Saffron. Ayoko na lang i-try yan. Try mo lang coffee na.
Sumasabog. Sumasabog yung lasa.
Tapos,
Number 6 yung ginger, no? Tapos na ako sa ginger. Number 7, lemon.
sige go.
Lemon tea.
Try the lemon.
Ito, masarap. Lemon. Sarap, lemon tea.
Yeah. Lemon. I love it.
So, yung ano lang.
Ito, lemongrass. 8. Try mo.
Ay, lemon ka.
Tanglad, no? Lemongrass.
Ay, okay lang. Okay lang.
May,
So, yung hindi lang namin bet dito, guys, sa menu nila is
ginseng.
yung ginseng tea, yung cinnamon, saffron, tsaka
Yung favorite mo?
ginger tea. Hindi ko rin bet yung ginger tea. Hindi ako masyadong sa ginger.
Yung favorite mo?
Favorite ko lahat. Lahat na,
Mine is
except sa ano.
Vanilla. Vanilla coffee.
Pandanus tea, okay lang din.
So, magbabayad na kami guys. How much is it?
118,000.
118.
Yes.
Okay.
You can show your bill.
Bill.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Here? Thank you.
So ayun guys, kakatapos lang namin uminom and magbabayad na kami. Meron din sila dito mga binibentang mga tea and coffee guys. Ayan. Pwede kayong bumili dito. Meron din mga t-shirts, mga souvenirs. And then ayan, meron pa dito. Ang daming kape dito guys.
Using 2 small spoon for 1 cup, yeah?
Okay. So ayun guys, bumili kami ng lemon tea nila kasi masarap talaga guys. And yan, bayad na naman si madam. So ayun lang guys, kakalabas lang namin dun sa shop nila. Nandun yung mga coffee, yung mga tea na tinry namin kanina. And if ever guys, meron kayong magustuhan mga flavor doon, pwede naman kayong bumili sa kanila. And sobrang mura lang din, no?
141.
141,000 lang yung per pack ng isang flavor. So para sa akin, worth it na yun kasi napakasarap guys. And at the same time, healthy talaga siya guys and organic. So ayun na guys, pupunta na tayo sa susunod na destination natin. So,
Torta Impulse.
Torta Impulse.
Let's go!
Alright! Let's go! Okay. Kuya, when have period, girls have period, why is it not allowed here?
That we believe there are a bad spirit following them.
That's
That's
weird.
what we believe in Hindus.
If they have period.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
for sure they will get unlucky if they can enter to the temple area during period. That's what
Okay.
we believe.
Okay. So that is why girls who will enter here are not allowed if they have periods. Right? So okay. Thank you, Kuya.
So we're now here sa Third Temple, guys, and can you help please?
Sa akin yan. Sa akin yan. Parang basa siya dito yung...
Oh, sige, pagitaglayin. Hanap black.
Naagono ken tukang kajang. Có một tukang kajang jang di tu mà nó biến kalagon này. Oh, nó trên ba con sa đông này.
Guys, we're currently here sa Third Temple and we need to rent a sarong, guys, kasi magagawa kami ng try kami ng spiritual healing. So yung rent, guys, is 10,000 rupiah per person. So kung gusto niyo mag-rent ng locker, so 15,000 rupiah naman yan.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
The locker key, give it back to the guy, okay?
So this is what we call it chanang po.
Sanang.
Oh, it was like we need to get permission first, asking permission first before we asking for bless, we asking for purification. Yes, we asking for permission first in the Pecalang temple in the front. Pecalang, it was like security of the place. Yes, they are the one who secure. Yes, the guard. So we need to ask permission first. We will holding this chana. It was like that, and then you can do like that. Just asking anything that you wish, anything that you want, just let them know. And then after that, you can put the channel on the table, and then we can enter the area.
Okay, let's go. Huh?
You can sit for a while.
Okay na? Alright. No, you don't have to tell your will.
Just like that, drink 3 times, and then wash your head 3 times. Every water bath. So you need to start from the second. 1 at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, until 9. You need to off. 1, 2 off. 10, 11, 12. So you need to skip. And then move to another. They don't know. They don't bring.
So according to Kuya, guys, I will just shower in the first 9, and then I will skip starting there 1, 2, 3, and then move to the next, and then next 3 after.
There are 2 another.
Dahan ah, dahan. Lam. So, tapos na si Daisy dito, guys. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, she's on her way to the 6th waterfall. And then, 7, 8, 9. Hanggang dun lang, guys, sa number 9 na yun. Or ika-siyam na waterfall. Bawal siya dun. Itong dalawang to, guys, bawal dito. So, diretso na siya dun sa kabila. Kasi sabi ni Kuya, kapag mag-shower ka dyan or ano ka dyan sa tubig na yan, mamalasan ka daw. So, ayan. Yung ginagawa ng iba, guys, is hindi nila alam na bawal pala yan. So, ayun. Pero eto, ayan, nandyan na si Daisy. So, ayun, guys, tapos na siya sa siyam na waterfall. Dito naman siya. Sa dalawa na yan. And then, dun, guys, sa banda na yon is isang waterfall lang. So, yeah. So, ito yung side na yun, guys. Yung dalawa na yan. Kailangan niyang mag-shower dyan. And then, dun sa kabila is yung isa lang. So, from there, guys, dito, isang peraso lang yung ano niya. I think yung pinaka-first. And then, pagkatapos nun, guys, is ayan na. Okay na?
A few moments later.
So guys, nandito kami sa bilihan ng mga pasalubong sa supplier ni Kuya Sura.
Yeah, ang mura dito, guys. Ayan siya. Ito, polo. Bumili akong polo.
Kano yan?
This is 120 na lang, last price niya. So ito, 90,000. And magkano yung ano natin, yung mga wallet. Ito, guys, bibili namin para sa mga staff namin. Ayan. Maganda yung wallet, ang gandang quality. So, magkano na to?
200.
200? Oh, 200. Tapos ano na siya? 8, no? 8 na. Ay, hindi, 10.
10.
2, 4, 5. 10 na. So, ayun, guys, bibili kami ng mga wallet para sa mga parents din namin. And ito naman is para sa mga staff namin, guys. So, ayun siya.
Or this one.
121.
Okay.
Okay. With some
90 plus.
90 plus 120. Plus this is
Ang mura dito. Ayan, sobrang mura. Ang dami nilang mga bentang souvenirs here. Ayan siya.
Ang maganda dito, guys, kahit na mga ganito lang na mga shop, yung mga pasalubong center nila, tumatanggap sila ng mga card, guys. So, kung wala kayong enough na cash, so pwede kayong gumamit ng card.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye, Kuya. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Thank you, Friendly Bali Tours. Take care, Kuya.
Pwede natin lagay ito rito.
Oh.
Uy, basig bawal, uy. So, let's try this one outside, guys. Let's go. Let's sit down. Alright, guys. So, we're gonna try the coffee, guys, that we ordered. Sarap. And magkano lang to, babe?
Nasa mga 12.
Ah, yeah. No? 12,000.
Matapang siya. I don't think it bet.
Medyo matapang.
Sabi niya, sweet. Hindi man sweet.
Parang na ano ko na yung sweet. Yung croissant.
Croissant.
So,
Croissant guys, nasa ano siya, 38.
yeah. So, I think masarap din to, guys. Kasi matcha.
and then almond.
Look at that.
Almond.
Wala.
Alright guys, fast forward. What time is it, babe? So it's currently
10:05
p.m. and we already washed up, guys. And we also had our lunch there sa
Lunch? Are you sure?
Ay, dinner. Dinner in the
Dinner.
Warung. Doon sa may, sa may beach.
May na-discover kaming beach doon, guys, sa unahan. Basta mga siguro 15 minutes walk yun, no? And then, doon na lang kami kumain sa karinderya. Nag-try din kami ng karinderya, guys. Pero, hindi naman kami na, okay naman yung chan namin so far. Hindi naman siya,
Ano lang,
Safe
yung
naman.
yung chicken guys, ano lang, 45,000 rupiah, and then bumili kami ng rice in 10,000 each.
Pero for me, hindi siya masyadong worth it for that price kasi nung pinakaunang dinner namin
Yeah.
before was 50,000 rupiah. Tapos sobrang sarap and ganda ng
madaming
presentation. Hindi siya pang karinderya na presentation. Para sa akin, parang tig 300 pesos. Pero nabili namin yun guys for only 160 pesos mahigit. Mga ganun lang. So yun, wala na kami ibang choice kasi dito talaga guys, dito sa Kuta,
Center, good.
pinaka-center na talaga kasi to, para siyang Siargao talaga na street, na kung saan maraming mga shops, maraming mga Musliman, mga ganon. And yun, kaya marami ding restaurants na kumakain yung mga foreigners, maraming mga AFAM, kaya medyo mahal talaga yung pricing nila dito. So yun, doon lang kami kumain kasi pagod na rin kami mag-explore. So ayun.
And then may nakita kami dun guys na nagko-concert, no? Mini-concert sa harap ng mall.
Yeah.
Tapos
And
ganun.
also guys, yung beer,
Oo.
no? Yung parang beer bike, no? Na nagbabike sila tapos parang, ano siya, para siyang open na jeep. Tapos doon kayo pwede mag-inuman, tapos pwede kayo mag-pedal doon habang nag-iinuman. Tapos tumatakbo yung, yung parang jeep na open. Basta guys, di namin na-videohan. Sayang. Pero parang parang masaya siya na kasi may music. Ayan, merong banda na kumakanta yata doon. May nagi-guitar, so basta very lively yung vibe dito sa guys. Dito sa malapit lang sa hotel namin. And ayun.
So, I think this is the best time to end this vlog here. So, tomorrow guys, pupunta kami sa Nusa Penida. So, it will be a long day or tiring day kasi magbo-boat kami guys going there. So, early din kami, dapat na makaalis. So, mga 5 a.m. pa lang guys. So, yeah, yun lang guys.
Kailangan matulog ng maaga.
So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!